expo that you have organized. I must compliment you guys for bringing it to this stage. This would play a vital role now for airlines, Indian operators and the exhibitors to come together.
The event is quite impressive because you have got various partners which is required in our business space available at one place.
We get a chance to display our product to the customers who are working closely to the airport. Let it be the main client, let it be the architect. They will at least know our presence.
So I think one of the good things about these kind of events is you get the best of the best leaders from the industry sharing their views, thoughts and also plans for future, which is always good to listen to, and then you can also learn a lot from them.
Such type of events helps us to increase the awareness with such customers, and because of that it gives us an important message to them that there is a brand well known in the market, well known in the airport industry, well known in the corporate industry or any other different verticals also.